Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Getter Official. If you're trying to play Valorant and the game keeps crashing in the middle of matches, then keep watching. In this video, I'm going to share all the effective ways to fix Valorant crashing issues on Windows. First, we'll disable full-screen optimizations. To do this, right-click on the Valorant shortcut and open Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and make sure Disable Full-Screen Optimizations is checked. Also enable Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK to save the changes. Another common reason for Valorant crashing is insufficient RAM usage. This usually happens when too many background apps are running. Press the Windows key, search for Task Manager, and open it. Click on the memory column to sort apps by RAM usage. Now, simply right-click on any unnecessary application and select End Task. Next, make sure your system is running the latest Windows updates. Press the Windows key again, search for Settings, go to Windows Update, and download and install any available updates. Outdated system files can often cause compatibility issues with games. Game crashes can also occur due to outdated graphics drivers. Instead of updating them manually, I'll show you a quick and easy method. Open your browser and visit drivereasy.com. Scroll down to the download section and install the software. Once installed, open it and click the Scan Now button. The tool will scan your PC for outdated drivers. If you see an outdated graphics driver, simply click Update and follow the on-screen instructions. After updating your drivers, we'll adjust some in-game settings to improve performance. Launch Valorant, press the Escape key, go to Settings, then open Video Graphics Quality. Set all options to low, which helps reduce system load and prevents crashes. Once done, close the settings to save changes. Finally, we'll use the Riot Client Repair tool to fix any corrupted game files. Close Valorant and open the Riot Client. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner, go to Settings, select Valorant, and click Repair. If any issues are detected, they'll be fixed automatically. After following all these steps, your Valorant crashing issue should be resolved. If you're still facing problems, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll try my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Tech Getter Official. Thanks for watching.